Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Tuesday to you. Another day in the market. The market started out right, went south, and recovered. And that is a good thing. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. As y'all see with MSTY right there, I'm down 6.25%, which means MicroStrategy is down. Yesterday was a good day, but like I said, that don't mean nothing. But like I say, MicroStrategy is something, man, I'm looking forward to like 2030, man. I'm just accumulating with Bitcoin right now, the same old thing. Bitcoin next year can go to 75,000. It might come back down. I'm not looking for no big results till 2030 with MicroStrategy and Bitcoin. Just letting y'all know you the CEO of your portfolio. I'm not looking at it, worrying about what it's doing. I'm accumulating dollar cost averaging on in. Urgent buys, urgent sales. I just want to point one thing out to y'all. With ticker PMT, Penny Mac Mortgage. Just to show y'all how it's up. I've been giving y'all this play from like $9.80 all the way to $10 with $10 and under. I told y'all it's gonna bounce back past the $11 mark. I was holding this shares in this position right here. Got an average cost of 10.52, up 7%. Got another position. I got another 200 something shares with an average cost of 10.78. So I've been averaging down. Does pay 40 cents a share every quarter. They need to switch this to monthly, man. This will do very well. Then 14.6% dividend yield. PE ratio is a 9. Still got some room to run. 52-week high is 1381. So I'm telling you this. Once it get up there, I will be scalping profits, taking out my initial investment at the minimum for not selling the whole thing because I'm too heavy in REITs and BDCs. Another one. Let's go ahead and get the trade and we can knock this out because I know I'm kind of behind. I woke up late this morning. I slept about 1:30. Remember, I'm on that Vegas time still, so then I didn't go to bed last night to 4 in the morning. Might be for that reason. I had some other things going on online I had to finish. I'm going to get my sleep pattern back before I go back to Arizona to do the same thing over and over, get jet lag again. All right, BTCC. Dividend coming. It's paid out bi-weekly. This is why I'm buying this. I'm not buying Bitcoin. I'm buying BTCC. I got YBIT, which is the week yield max. Got that on $2 a day recurring doing this thing. That pay out every week. So that's what that does, and that's what that is for. Just reinvesting dividends for now. I'm paying 26 cents a share. 437 shares. I buy this every day. Going in today at 12.31. Definitely be averaging down here. Bitcoin right now trading at $58,000. I'd rather hold this because at least I get paid while I'm holding them. Holding shares. Give me a 25 shares at this price. Set that there and leave it there. I'm also going to go in and buy me some shares. One thing about this, you want your order to go in for sure. You have to hit buying shares. And that's the only way you're going to get the for sure order. Which wasn't bad at 12.42. All right, we'll get me 3 more shares right there. And it seems like it's worked better during the market hours if you want to get them right then and there. I'll take that. Lower that average cost. I'm at 14.48. When things go back solid, this will be that'll be a $16, $17 stock right there. I want to try to get me. I really want me about 5,000 shares of that. I ain't not gonna lie to you. Pays out every other week. That's like a bi-weekly check. I'm cool with that, and it got 80% dividend yield. MSTR. Go with MicroStrategy. Didn't mean to hit that. MSTR. Got down to like 82.43 today. It's at 85. You want to get me a fractional share of this. I'm going to knock that average cost down. Buying dollars. Got to knock it down. Got to knock it down. We'll get some MSTY too. Like I say, I do. It's volatile, but I think when it run, MSTY can get back to $27. I know it sounds funny, but I done seen it there. I done brought it at 21 and seen it rise to 22, and I just held it. Got this on $2 a day recurring with MSTY. $3. I just reinvested dividends. Remember, this pay out every week. I'm doubling down right now, so I'm spending over, but it don't matter. I want to knock that average cost down. Y'all make sure y'all go watch my Cash App short, man. I got plays, I got stocks in there, positions in there that I don't have in this portfolio. Not gonna give it to you in this one. Go there and watch it. It's free. That is like my long-term buy and hold dividend save portfolio. No volatile stocks in there. Nice little one. Like growth stock, tech, Microsoft and stuff, but it's a lot of other things that you don't have to worry about, but you're gonna get a tax break with your dividends. They count it as qualified dividends. Got a lot of qualified dividend stocks. When you do your taxes, you get a better tax break on your qualified dividends than your ordinary income. So that's really a portfolio I just buy and hold. So go check out that when I do a trade short every day. It's number 3 minutes. All right. Nope. See, that's one I got in there. Go down my list. Gonna go with Meta. Like I said, go watch that daily live trades. Check it out. Don't slip on that. Everything I do every day, I give y'all online. All you gotta do is go and watch it. It's free. 551.43 is what Meta got down to today. It's at 560. Just gonna go snatch me a piece up. It's not at 551 the way I want it. I'd have got 20 if I caught it there, but 560 you still can't beat. One thing about it, you can't set buy limits on a fractional share with Robinhood, but you can do it with Cash App. That's why I like buying them high price stocks over there. FBY, Facebook, going at $8.84 at $8.94. I got this on $2 a day recurring. Gonna let that ride out. Nope, in the other portfolio, NVDA, at 195.11, said 198 something. I'm still gonna go get some of that. I'm at 210. If I'm not mistaken, I got to buy limit order at like 190 or 189-ish. I'm going to put one in at 190. Use margin. You can always just buy that quick and sell it at 198. Lower my average cost and make a couple dollars. Microsoft. 367.47. 371. Go get some MSFO also. Definitely buying this stock here. Microsoft definitely not going anywhere. MSFO down to 1036 today. Doubling down on this one. Automatic $2 a day. No extra $2 there. I'll edit my recurring investments. I'll put it on $3 instead of $2. Alright, so we edited that. Go to the next stock. Boom, boom, boom. YMAX. $7.93. Definitely like YMAX at 7 and 8 and under. Know this gonna climb back above the $8 mark. Hope I can catch it like a 772. We'll go next with YMAG. Weekly income. One thing I like about these, when you don't want to buy them anymore, you can take the weekly and just put it into another play. MAG at 1136. Get me a share of this every day at prices is at. Hold on, look at the 52-week low real quick. 1097. Let's go get me a fractional share. I want to catch this around $11 if I can. If it go back down. YMAG is options on the Magnificent 7. Got this on daily, $2 a day, so that'll work. Just leave that one alone. Just buy YMAX at the weekly low if it's under $10 mark. Got LFT, which is getting whoops at 93 cents. I'm debating on buying more of that. It's got a dividend coming, paying 4 cents a share. This gonna do a reverse stock split. I thought about just leaving it alone and just, I got a sell limit order at 110. 545 shares. Just reinvest the dividends every quarter and just leave it alone. I think that's where I'm gonna go with this. So it's dropping like a rock. I'll get back with y'all on this one, but it is a dividend payer. You could just reinvest the dividends every quarter and don't worry about it. That's one thing about dividend stocks. You always gonna get paid for holding shares. You can always just put the money into another play, earn. We're going at 439. This one here, man, trading in the sideways pattern, 8 cents a share every month. Gonna give me 5 shares of this at 439. The Lord, that average cost some more. I think I'm at with an average cost of like 460 something. Let's check it out. 458, 1,402 shares. SLRC, nice payment every quarter. This will hit me getting whooped. Got this on recurring investments. Make it $2 a day. This one was down like 12.39 or something earlier when I seen it. Go get some of this. Add on to that position. Lower the average cost. Okay, why did I buy SLRC? 13.15% yield, 62% buy, 25% hold. It's just recently paid a dividend. See if I can go to history. Last dividend just got 31 cents. Like I said, it was paying monthly. It's like 10 cents a share a month you get with SLRC. But SLRC one you can stay out of. I just got on recurring, man. You just put on $2. Find your good BDC, put on $2 a day and just let it do its thing, man. Let it ride on out. Nike. Definitely like this at the 42 and under mark. Got down to 40.89 a day. I put a buy limit order at 40.77 for yesterday. Nike got earnings at the end of the day. We'll see what's going to happen there. I got Nike on $3 a day recurring anyway. I would say if you're out of Nike, stay out of it. Another one I've been giving y'all, ticker TU, getting beat up, Telus. Canadian communications company. Got this on recurring investment also. Down days, I just go buy, stay out of this one. Being a little volatile now. All it needs is good news and it'll shoot back up. It's another portfolio with YBit, and that's Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 58,000. So if you like 58,000, which is a nice price to nibble at, go nibble here too. You should get paid for holding shares here. So we got Walmart, WMT, and they got two more plays to look at. $113.58, definitely grabbing at this price. 52-week high is 135.16. Walmart not going anywhere. 87% buy. So why would you not buy? Walmart not going nowhere. Trust and believe that. All this need is good earnings, and this stock gonna fly. Especially you can catch this at the 120 and under. Definitely a buy. Y'all know I started positioning Netflix in this portfolio for y'all, so you can see how I do my swing trade and accumulating right now with it. Got to see in my Cash App portfolio also. NFLX 72. 72.12. 72.28. I am at 77.34. Definitely need to get down with that. Knock that average cost down. There you go to see this dollar cost average on there, man. When they decide to squeeze, you're gonna be in the driver's seat. One more I'm gonna look at, man. SCHD. I had a position in this portfolio. I got it in my Cash App. Got a bigger position. Kept some here. This is just a long-term thing. 20, 32 and unders when I nibble at SCHD. Got down to 31.70. I brought at 31.80 earlier today. I'm at $28. All right, y'all, let's go check out Traps. Get on out of here. Hopefully, we pray, man. Nike got good earnings. We can go past that $60 mark so I can make my exit, get my money back, and never enter it again. He's trying to do some things to turn it around, though, but I don't know. I'm just get out of it. I don't like the apparel industry nor the food sector. I'd rather just deal with energy. Give me a nice utility stock that I know people gonna buy. Everything else, the rest of my little BDCs, I got them on $2 a day. So just let them just rock out. Just collect that juicy dividend and keep it moving. Redwood Trust is pulled back. It's one I do have on $2 a day. It's at 480. Dividend coming. 18 cents a share, 6 cents a share a month. 62.5% buy, 37% hold, 14.78% yield. Add another $2 since the day is down. I gotta tell you, I got a lot of REITs and BDCs. All right, go back to the list. USOI, got this on $3 a day recurring. So don't need to bother with that. I did that with gold and with GLDI. Make sure those are in. $2 a day, so I don't have to bother with those. So I ain't got to worry about trading. TLTW pay out every month. Nice little bond here. $2 a day recurring. Ain't got to worry about that. That's why I see my thing bright with income, man. Just put them on there. When they decide to fly, they fly. Make my exit or take profits then. NFLY definitely is price to double down on. While Netflix right now is cheap. $3 a day recurring with this one. I can cycle this out every week. Ain't worrying about that. Glad on recurring. Got Suns. What I did with this one. 788. 616. I can make my exit out of this one once this go back up. 1178. Probably never gonna see that. I just kept this one for a dividend. Paid out every quarter until I can make some money and profit and get rid of it. Got earned. Capital One. Ain't worrying about that. That's trading sideways. Charles Point need to make me another swing trade. I put a buy limit order in at 528.28. I need to flip that one more good time, well, about 2 to 3 more times. Coney on recurring. PYPY stop buying. I just reinvested dividends in another place. OXLC got that on recurring. I'm coming. Hold on. RPT 1432. Make sure that's on recurring. If not, I go set it up. CT that, Biggie, Netflix. And that's it, y'all. Signing off. Go get your money.